Welcome to Mr. Auto Pro. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a motorcycle that continues to blend classic charm with modern aggression. Let's find out what's new, improved, and worth noticing in this latest version of the Hunter. Design and style. The 2026 Hunter 350 retains its neo-retro silhouette but gets a sharper and more muscular stance. Royal Enfield has refined the tank shape, added bolder color schemes, and introduced new alloy wheel designs. The compact street-naked profile makes it one of the most stylish and urban-friendly motorcycles in its class. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the Hunter 350 continues to use the trusted 349 cubic centimeters J-Series engine, refined for smoother power delivery and improved fuel efficiency. Producing around 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, the engine offers that signature Royal Enfield thump with minimal vibration. The 5-speed gearbox remains crisp and well-tuned for both city commutes and open-road cruising. Features and technology. Royal Enfield has equipped the 2026 model with subtle but impactful updates, including a semi-digital instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and optional Bluetooth pairing. Dual-channel ABS and LED lighting now come standard, enhancing both safety and visibility. Ride and comfort. The low seat height, upright ergonomics, and balanced weight make the Hunter 350 a joy to ride, especially for beginners and city riders. The suspension setup has been slightly retuned for a more planted and confident feel over rough roads, ensuring the Hunter stays stable and comfortable on long rides. Verdict. The 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 isn't just about nostalgia, it's about delivering an all-round, practical, and stylish ride for modern-day motorcyclists. With its perfect mix of heritage design, reliability, and tech updates, it remains one of the most versatile 350 cubic centimeters motorcycles in the market. Outro, Mr. Auto Pro. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Stay tuned to Mr. Auto Pro for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest bikes hitting the roads.